Rebecca Hall, Union Springs, Alabama. Heifers 64-2. Be one load of heifers out of 80 head at 600 pounds for December the 2nd through 6th delivery. Dr. Rebecca Hall, Union Springs, Alabama. 64-2. Real nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame heifers, sired by Angus and Hereford bulls. Dr. Hall's been selling in the safe sale for several years. Cattle be sorted according to weight. There's a few that'll be culled out. 64-2, be one load, around 600 pounds base. Cattle will be hauled on goosenecks over to Doug Borham's and weighed on the ground at Doug's with a 2% shrink. Dr. Rebecca Hall, Union Springs, Alabama. Heifers 64-2. 80 head. Around 11 or 12 Charolais crosses. The rest be black and black white face. Hall Farms, Union Springs, Alabama. 64-2. 80 head of heifers at 600 pound base. Again, the cattle will be hauled on goosenecks over to Doug Borham's, weighed at Doug's on the ground with a 2% shrink. Dr. Rebecca Hall, Union Springs, Alabama. (64-2). Hall Farms, steers, Union Springs, Alabama. Cattle will be sorted according to weight. 64-1A, be around 28 head of steers at 885. November the 11th through 15th delivery. 64-1B, be the solid load of steers at 750. 64-1B, be one load, 750 for December the 2nd through 6th delivery. Hall Farms, Union Springs, Alabama. 64-1C, be 15 steers at 525 for November the 11th through 15th delivery. Again, the calves will be sorted according to weight, hauled on goosenecks to Doug Borham's, weighed on the ground with a 2% shrink. 64-1A, be 28 steers at 885. 64-1B, be the solid load of steers at 750. 64-1C will be 15 steers at 525. Hall Farms, Dr. Rebecca Hall, Union Springs, Alabama. Real nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame steers, sired by Angus and Hereford bulls. 64-1A, be 28 steers at 885. November the 11th through 15th delivery. 64-1B will be the solid load of steers at 750 be one solid load. December the 2nd through 6th delivery. 64 1C be the youngest calves, be 15 at 525. All farms. Union Springs, Alabama. Go it. 64 -1A, 1B, 1C.